Ano nga ba ang virtual office? Virtual office means it's a virtual office address or a virtual business address para sa mga negosyo na kailangan ng business address for the primary reason na mag-business registration ka. Ibig sabihin, mag-start ka ng negosyo or freelancer ka na kailangan mo resibo or same din, home-based business ka na kailangan mo na ng magresibo. Startup ka pa lang. Ano talaga siya? What they call this? Malaking tulong talaga siya sa'yo. So, overall, the theme, I think, is if you are starting or if you are expanding para sa yung virtual office. If you have questions, if you have ideas on what you want to talk about next when it comes to virtual office, co-working, and everything like that, being a startup, yun lang naman kailangan, yun lang yung pag-usapan natin or how we support whatever type of business, kung para sa'yo ba to, comment below. And we'll do our best. I'll do my best pala. Nagawa ng video para doon.